Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to accessibility, and here you can find talkback. So here you should enable talkback like this, and after that talkback tutorial starts.
Settings. Welcome to talkback, page 1
So
of
basically
5.
it's gonna talk
Close
non-stop,
button.
so I'm gonna just
Double tap
explain
to
it
activate.
briefly. This mode is made mostly for people with blindness, some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, you tap close button,
Double tap to activate.
double tap to activate. But what it doesn't say that to activate, you don't have to double tap specifically on this button, but you can double tap
to
anywhere on the
activate.
screen like this.
Close to
Close,
Close.
double tap.
Settings.
So if you want to disable talkback, tap switch, double tap, stop,
Talkback off.
and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.